after, push in front to go front. And doing Tsuki directly. Come back slowly. Second time, that's the same. Go back, go in front, sorry. And Tsuki. After the same, back. Flex. Sit down here, try to fold. And at the end, Gyaku Tsuki. Come back slowly. Down. And this move. Okay? Front and back. After it will be like this. The same in the other side. And with Mawashigiri, it will be with the same arm. Flex, shut down, Mawashi, and Hami Oizuki. Okay? And after we see all the start of the kata. Okay, let's go. Preparation like Ikodachi. Your Tsuki in front of you. First move, flex your leg. Each one. This side with this arm. Go front and with your hips, push your hips just slowly in front to search to fall. Okay? And at the end, push with your leg. Like this. And you can fall and go very speed. And come back. And up. Flex. 1. Your hips in front. 2, 3. Okay. Come back. And up. The same back. Flex. Okay. And now Gyaku Tsuki. This leg with this leg. Go back, but after try to not be in this line, but like falling. Okay. And at the end, down. Like this. 1 and 2. And this is a good methodology to have elasticity and speed. And come back. Okay? One more in front. Each, knee, sand. And come back. Other side. Each, knee with the hips, sand. And at the end, push on the hip. Push to go front. And come back. Okay. Don't forget your fist already in the center. And your hips and your body front, not like Hami when you are front, okay? Now flex each. This leg go back. When you are trying to sitting, okay? And your Tsuki go in front. Each. Okay, and you are falling and have the speed because you fall. Okay? And come back and up. Down, each, knee, sand. Okay, come back. One more in front. Each, flex, knee, hips, sand, fall. And come back. And up. Other side. Each, flex, knee, hips, sand, push. And come back. And up. Now back. Each, flex, knee, sit, sand, fall. And come back. And the same, other side. Each, flex, knee, sit, sand, and fall. And come back. One more and try to do it time by time, slowly, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? After, it's very important to do it in the same time. Flex, flex push and fall. And have speed at the end. This is a good technique to have speed. Slowly in first. And each, knee, sand. Okay. Come back. And all the moves slowly. Alone. Each. And come back. Now back. Flex, sit and Gyaku. Each, flex, sit and Gyaku. Okay. Same on the side. Each. 1, 2, and 3. And come back. And now very slowly. Take your time. 2 times in front, 2 times back. And after, try to be more speed. And each. 1, 2. And come back. Knee. 1, 2, 3. And come back. Go back now. Each. Flex, sit, and Yaku. Come back. 100. Flex, sit, and Yaku. Okay. And now, more speed, all in the same time. Flex, body, shoot, and Tsuki. Flex, your body, sit down, and Yaku at the end. Okay? One more, direct. Each, and come back. Knee, and come back. Go back. 100, and go back. Chi, and go back. And more speed. Each, and go back. Knee, back. 100, and back. Chi, and come back. Check. This is very important here to understand. If you want to be speed, it's not during all your move. It's only at the end of the move you have to deploy the technique. Not at the start. At the start it's only like elastic preparation. You have to prepare. Prepare. And at the end it's the technique. Not after. Okay? And now with some giri more. With the Tsuki, Magiri, and with Yaku back, with Oizuki, Hami back, Mawashi giri. Like this, flex, hips. This is 1, 2, up the leg and fall in the same time. Up the leg and fall in the same time. And when you are in the Zenkutsu stance, with good Tsuki in the center. Come back the same in the other side, like this, hips, fall and the good reception. And come back, and after, for finish, Mawashi giri in the same side of your arm, 1, and when you fall, Oizuki Ami, and come back, and other side, 1, and come back, okay? Just this different move, and after we work about the different start of the kata. Okay, it's for finish the kion to start the class. Okay. With your arm in front. First, with the left leg, Magiri, Oizuki. Don't forget, flex, hips, fall, and reception. Okay? And each, knee. Okay, and come back. The same thing in the other side. Each flex, knee, hips, 100, and come back. Okay. Now, with Mawashi giri, same arm, same leg. Each flex, knee, try to sit, and at the same time, Mawashi giri, and put back, Oizuki, Hami. Each. Like this. Knee, come back. Same in the other side. Each flex. Try to sit with the hips, knee, 100, and come back. And yeah. One more, slowly. Try to do all the move. Flex, hips, fall, and Tsuki. And during the 2 times, Magiri. At the back stance. Is the same but in the invert. Flex, sit, liberate your leg, Mawashi and open. Okay? Let's go. Each flex, hips, and Magiri, come back. Knee, flex, hips, and Magiri, Tsuki, and come back. Go back now. Each, knee, flex, and Oizuki. And come back. Each flex, knee, sit, 100, and come back and relax. Okay. And after, try to do it slowly, directly, with all the different moves. Flex, hips, fold, and reception. And during this time, at the end, Maigiri Oizuki. And back, Mawashi when you fold, and Oizuki, Hammi. Okay? And let's go. Same thing. Slowly. Allez. Ich, knee, sent, and come back. Ich, flex, hips, and Tsuki, and come back. Now back. Ich, flex, sit, Mawashi, Hammi, and go back, sorry. Ich, flex, knee, sit, and come back. Okay. And now, more speed. Right, left, right, left. Okay, and let's go. More speed at your, with your capacity, okay? But very important to respect. Flex right, push, and push on the floor with the feet to go front. And the same as the invert. Okay. Ich, and come back. Knee, and come back. The same back, this leg. Ich, and come back. Same as the other side. Knee, and come back. Okay. Push. Relax. Check. Don't forget one more thing. Your knee. Try to have your knee front. Not one knee like this and another like this. Try to do it in front. If it's more difficult for you because you don't have big flexibility here, you can turn just slowly. You can turn, okay. But you don't have to have the hips like this, like this, like this, with the knee like this. Okay, very important. And one more, and two things directly. Like this, I show you. One, and come back, and come back. And after, one, and come back. Okay? The two Maigiri and the two Mawashi in one time, and try to do it with good rhythmic, not more speed. Okay? Do it very fast at the end of the technique. Okay? And slowly, more speed, sorry. And ich, and come back, and come back. Okay. Mawashi knee. And one more with kirai of in the second tsuki front and second tsuki back, kirai. Hey, ich, hey, and the same back, knee, hey, and come back, and check. We start with the middle. Many times we see this move, and it's not good. Okay, try to don't do it, please. Like this, 1, 2. No, okay. You have to go in this direction. It's not necessary to have your hand go here to go here. You do this and this. Not good. You have to do it directly. And your stance direct. So, it's not your hands go in the hips. It's your hips go in the center. Like this, my hips go in the center. And I relax my arms. If I don't move my body and I turn my hips, I am here. So, it's the same thing. But I don't do it with my arm, I do it with my hips. It's not the same. One is my arm, not good. The other thing is my hips go in the center. that you have to do. Okay? Like this, relax your arm, and after your arm go up naturally. And your stance, when you are falling, go directly to the good position. Like this, 1, 2, directly. And your hips is here, go in the center, in this direction. Your knees don't move like this, your knees stay here, only your hips. And when you are here with your arm, when you fall, your hips return back. This move at the end. And in Gokutsu. This is a good move for the beginning. And after, here, this move. And you see it after, okay? So first, like this, your first move, your hips. Each. Second move, relax the arm. Each. And you are near your hips. Second move, in the same time, the hips return back, your fist and your arm up like this, good position, and in the same time, you are falling with the stance. Like this, knee, like this, okay? It's, I want you do it. Okay, not 1, 2, no. 1, 2, yes, okay? One more. Here, each, okay. Knee, relax. Sound, direct. And one more. Each, here. Knee, relax. Fold the arm and turn the hips at the end. Each. Okay, one more. Each. In the center, knee, relax your arm, sound, fold and turn the hips. Okay, this is very important. And your hips do this move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This move. Here, directly, for doing good first move. Okay, after, when you are doing this is this move. Okay. Please don't move like this. 1 and 2. No. Here, your elbow. Go like this. And in the same time, your arm go in front. This one, relax your elbow and turn the fist and go in front of you. This is a good move. 1, directly in front and not like this, okay? So, direct. And after, push with the elbow and strike in front of you. 1, directly, and not 1, 2. No. Don't move like this. You have to go directly. It's more speed and there is less distance. Too long. Too long, too long, not good. More speed, light, compress, open, direct, 1, 2. This is a good move, okay? One more time, here, first move, the hips in the center, each, knee relax the arm, sound, the hips go back, the arms up, your body forward, and go to doing a good stance, Gokutsu. Each. Okay, after, relax the elbow, and joint the two arms. Each. Okay, touch with the elbow, and deploy. Knee. Directly with the hips open. Okay, one more. The hips in the center. Each. Relax, knee, sound. Chi, directly with the hips in this direction, and after the hips, go back, knee. Okay, one more. Each, 1, knee, 2, sound, chi, go. Okay. And after, in the same time, with the good rhythmic, like this, directly 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and with relaxed arm and up your arm, and fall like this, 1, directly, 1, directly, okay? Alright, let's go 4 times, 2 slowly and 2 speed, okay? So, each, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Second time, knee, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And now speed, 1, 2, 3, okay. This is a good rhythmic, not 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. Alright, let's go. Fast. Each. And 1, 2. Okay. One more. In. And one more. The last. Stop. And relax. Okay. In all the starts of your kata, your ikite, often we see this. Like this. And you can have something like this. No, it's not to go to buy some bread, okay? It's not my bread and I am in the street. No, no, okay? You have to search to strike behind you. So when you start, 1, 2, here, you have to have your fist and your elbow behind, not the elbow like this. Okay? And with the hips back here. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. You see? Here. Not like this. Okay? Be careful about this. Okay. Now we see the start of Heian-Yondan. Heian-Yondan is very difficult for some people because the difficulty is to finish all the move, upper body and down body in the same time. So often we see something like this. 1, like this, 1, 2, and 3. No, not good. Very important to be on your leg, very strong. Okay? Here, 1, flex, relax the arm, relax. But relax more in this side and more in the center. Relax. Your body have to bend inside here. Bend with the hips, the center of your hips, bend inside. And now you can deploy the leg. It's very easy because you are strong. And after to finish the move, it's very difficult to do this. 1 and with the feet like this. No, very difficult. You have to search to do it here. In this part. Not under. Not under the feet, but in the side with your feet. Okay? In the side of the front feet. This is here, the good move. So it will be this 1, 2, and after slowly, and at the end open the stance. This is the good move. And this move, it's possible to do it in the same time with the upper body. Okay? So we do it now. Okay? So each. Okay, relax. Deep here. Knee, deploy. Some slowly, and put at the end. In the same time. Okay? The secret is to be strong here. And to bend here. And to deploy your leg with the side of your feet. Like this. Not with all the feet on the floor. Because it's too difficult. You have to go like this, like this, like this, like this. Like Heian-Yondan with LP. is the same move, but the same on the start. Okay? So, one more. Each, be here. Knee, deploy, cent, and finish. Okay, one more. And each, flex, bend inside, deploy the leg, knee, and cent. Put the feet and finish. Okay, now try to do it slowly, all in the same time. Not time by time. Try to be fluid, okay? It's very important to try to be fluid. With this leg strong and deploy very slowly and finish. Okay? I let go. I hitch and deploy and finish. One more. I knee. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, one more. The last time. Each. 1, knee, and finish at the end. Okay, yeah. Ios. Very simple to understand, but more difficult to do it. Okay? Because you have to be very strong on your leg to deploy slowly. Very important. If you are in the center, you cannot do it. 1, not possible. Okay? You have to be here. 1, strong. You can kick and deploy and finish. Very important to do it like this. Okay, after I have some question about the start of Heian Godal and in part of the first move. Okay, like this, when you are here, how to come back slowly without difficult move. Okay, all the secret is on your heel. This is the move, okay? First, 1, chin it, and after here. It's your heel. Your heel here is here. So, when I come back, turn on the heel, deploy horizontally, and come back. This is a good move. Not directly. No, not good. Because if you do it, you push, and when your feet are straight, difficult to stay. You have to stay back, stay down, and turn on the heel in the same time, and up. Okay? This is the same for Gangaku. If you know Gangaku, it's the same. Okay? Here is not directly and like this. Now, you see here 1, 2, and after up. 1. This is the same move. This is the same move. Okay? So let's do it together. Here, the same like Heian Godal. Not 1, 2. The hips go in the center. 1, and the hips is this direction. And at the end, open the hips and deploy and shoot it. Each. Okay, and don't forget the elbow like this. So keep the Kokutsu stance, and you see here the center of your hips go in front and push your knee back in the same time of the tsuki. Each. You have to push in the direction with the knee and push with the fist. After, turn on the heel, like this, each, and come back, like this. Okay? One more. The hips in the center, and prepare in the same time. Relax to prepare. Each, don't turn too much your knee, and deploy Kokutsu with the hips come back. Each. Okay, Tsuki now, knee, and push the knee back. turn on the heel, hitch, and go up, okay? Come and up, come and up, not come diagonally. One more, allez, hitch, flex, turn the hips, keep the heel, prepare, open the hips, knee, tsuki, san, turn, hitch, slowly. Okay, one more. The hips, the side in the center, hitch, knee, san, chi. Okay, one more. The same, hitch, knee, san. Okay, one more. The last one, hitch, knee, san, and go up. Okay, this is very simple. It's very important to continue and up at the end, and not up directly. It's too hard. You have to compress. Compress and pull. Pull for comeback. Okay? Okay, now we see two moves of Kankudai. I have a question about it. How to do the Tushuto more speed. Here, when you are here, this move. Okay. How is a good move to be speed? To be speed, you have to understand how your body moves. Okay? It's not this. Here, prepare, strong, prepare, strong. If you're doing this, it's not possible to be speed. Okay. If you want to be speed, you have to use your hips and you have to be elastic. So, when you are here, prepare and flex, like Yamida, it's the same move. The hips in the center, okay? And when you are here, prepare. And after, go directly. Okay, when you are here, you have to flex inside here to prepare the other side. And when you flex here, your arms and your shoulder be like elastic, extend. Extend, 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 okay? Here, your arm don't move. And your body and your hips, strong inside and compress. And your arm want to do it. Want to go in this direction because you compress, you oppose. Opposition and relax. Opposition and relax. Two oppositions at the same time. So first move, oppose, 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 and relax. And after, oppose, 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 and relax. Okay? So, very important to understand, this is two extension. Extension, relax. Extension and compression, and relax. Compress, extend, relax. And the first move, compress, extend, and relax. Compress here, extend here. Relax and relax. Compress here, extend here, and relax. Okay? And when you do these two moves, it's more easy to be still. If you are only on your arm, not possible. It's only with the power of your arm. Not good. You have to be relaxed and create elasticity. Okay. So try to do it with me. First move here. After this move here. Okay. First the hips in the center. First move. 1. And with your arm, relax. Relax to prepare. Each knee. Okay, now bend here and bend here, here and here. This arm like this. This arm like this. And each. And after, when your hips turn, your feet turn on the heel. And here, deploy with extend. And your arm, keep your body. And after, oppose at the end. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and after, at the end, it will be that. And you use elasticity to change side. Okay? So with me, the hips, and relax to prepare. Hitch and flex. Knee, some, extend and compress, turn on the heel, chin. And come back. One more. Hitch, knee, some, chin. Okay. One more. Hitch, knee, some, extend and compress, chin. Okay, and try to turn on the heel. 1, 2, 3. On the heel. Okay. One more. Hitch, knee, some, chin. Okay. One more, and after 2 times. In the same time. And hitch, knee, some, chin. Okay. And now try to do it slowly, like this. 1. Try to keep the rotation inside you. Try to keep, compress and extend. And at the end, liberate your move. Okay? One more. Hitch. One more. Knee. One more. Some. And after speed. You have to put on the floor, and when you finish, you have already prepared the extend and compress. Okay? It's not like this. 1, compress, and go. No, no, no. You have to do it directly here. 1, compress, extend, and you can liberate other side. So you have to prepare the compress and extend at the first to liberate directly for the second. Okay? And now you can do it speed. Okay. One more, speed. And hitch, and one more. Knee, and one more. Some, and one more. Chin, and one more with the eye. Whoa! Hey! And yeah. And relax and check. And for finish, and after, we will doing a kill with all the move. Okay? In the same kill. Now we see the start of Basai. Because very often, sorry for my English, we see some move with falling diagonally directly, and with the arm straight, and at the end like this. No, 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 it's not good. I'll show you. Okay. For the first move of Basai, many times we see something like this. Start of the move, okay, like this. Okay, and after people fall like this, okay, with leg extend, the arm continue in front and diagonally shut down, yeah, at the end like this. No, no, not good, okay? Please try to do it, not do it, okay? Good move. First, you have to flex. And with your hips, you have to go in front. Like the first move in the class. 1, 2, like this. Okay, it's the same. You are here, flex your hips, and begin to fall. But at this moment, very complicated here. So be vigilant to have good understanding. This is the line of my body. The line of my body. Okay. This is the line of my fist. When I am here to start the kata. My fist is here, my body is here. Don't do it. My hips go front and not in this line. No, no, no. First, your body have to go here. Flex, relax, and go here. This is the start. Your body have to approaching your fist. Not your body go front and your arms go front. No, no, no. Okay? First is your body go there near your fist. And at the end, your fist relax in the elbow. Relax in the elbow to go here. And when you are here, you are already ready to go and push straight. Okay, so you don't have to fall diagonally. You have to flex, to push with your hips, push with your leg, approaching your body near your arm. Prepare your arm near your body in the same direction from you. And when you are falling at the end, like this. And the end here, okay? It's very important to flex and push. And approaching your body with your arms and relax to prepare to doing this move after. Not directly at the end like this. No, no, no. Okay? So with me, try to do it. First, I flex each. Okay. So after, you have to flex in the same times of falling. Flex front after. But to begin, to understand, flex in this position. Okay, keep your feet here. Your fist, keep here. Try to approaching your body just a little. When you are here, relax your arm to your hips. Relax. And push on your feet. And go front, directly. Okay? One more. Ich, ni, san, shi. Okay. One more. Ich, ni, san, shi. And go. One more. Ich, ni, san, shi. And go. Okay. And after, when you flex your knee, in the same time with your hips, stay straight but front. With the same time flex and front. Okay? Flex and front. And flex and front, flex front and push. Flex, front and push. This is a good move. And in the upper body, stay in the space, approaching, relax and deploy with this arm. Okay, try to do it slowly. So, ich, ni, san. Okay, one more. Ich, ni, san. Okay, one more. Ich, ni, san. Okay, one more. And now, all the move correctly in the same time. Try to do it. Try to flex, hips, fall, approaching, prepare, and deploy. All in the same time. And please, down and go. Diagonally like a wave. Not diagonally directly, like a wave. And prepare to deploy. Not straight, and at the end like this. No, no. Okay? One more. Ich. And one more. Ni. One more. San. One more. Shi. And here. And directly. Okay. One more and finish with the technique like the kata. Ich. Ni. San, shi. Okay. One more. Ich. Ni. San, shi. Allez, one more, the last one. Itch. Knee. Something. And yeah. Okay. For finish. Okay, the cure is all what you see in the class. So, the start of the cure, I show you the cure. Very simple. Here, like and down. 1, 2. Prepare and then down slowly. Turn. Like go down. Eat slowly. Okay. Here, like taking. Show down. Prepare and prepare. Knee and come back. Sans. Shift and come back. Okay. This is the cure. I hope you can do it with me. I do it slowly. Okay. You can understand and do it with me. And after, if you can, do it speed. Okay. And in this cure, we doing one more all the different moves of the start of the kata. Okay. So slowly. First move, like Canada, very slow. Each, 1, 2. Hips, hips. Each, 1, 2. Okay. Come back the leg to prepare like Canada. Each. Knee, slowly, be strong here, be strong here, be strong. And prepare. Go back with your upper body, back body, and like and go down. Each. Knee, turn on the heel, each and come back slowly, like this. Prepare, like Teki Shodan, each. Okay, come back in the center, like Kankudai. 2 move, like Kankudai, each. And come back and prepare like Basaidai, each. 1. Hey! And come back here. Okay, this is the cure. Okay? One more. Slowly. Each. Knee. Sang. Chi. Each. Knee. Sang. Each. Knee, sang, chi, go, lock, shift, hey, and come back and shake. One more, 2 times more. 2, 3 times more, okay? And after, more speed, and more speed to finish. And after, little cure with Kibalachi to finish the class. Okay, one more. I explain to you one more the move, okay? When I do it slowly. Okay. First move, the hips in the center. The arm relax. Hips in this direction, and after turn the hips, doing kukutsu and up the arm. Okay? So, each, knee. Okay. Here. Directly, not like this. Direct, direct, direct. Each. Here with the elbow. Direct, direct. And the elbow here. Okay. Prepare. Each. Like this. Be strong here. Deploy in the side of your feet, not under the feet. Each and slowly and put in the same time. Try to do it not like this, not like this. One line. Okay. Here, the body go in this leg. Prepare Uchuke and Uchuke. Each. Be strong here. Your knee in this direction, your fist in this direction. Each. Turn the heel. Knee and go back and up. Like this. Okay. Prepare the hips. Kibadachi like Piki Shodan. Each. Okay. Not the heel, the elbow, like this. Good. Ikite. After ici, relax and approaching your hand like crocodile. Here, prepare the hips in the center and here extend, extend, extend and relax. And extend and compress here, extend here. One and relax. Okay, after come back and with the front foot and turn the heel and prepare backside. Here flex the hips, approaching your fist, stay here, prepare hips and deploy and Ichuke and Gyaku Izuki. 1 and 2. Okay? At the end here, when you are doing Gyaku Tsuki, open your hips and close your hips. Like this. And come back. Okay. This is all the different details you have to do. There is many more details after, but to begin to have good technique, good speed, be relaxed, use less power and keep power to be strong at the good moment. You have to work like elastic, okay? One more, just I tell you the count, slowly. With the count, no details, just count. Okay. Here, and down first. Each, knee, sans, chi, each, knee, sans, chi, go, look, each, each, knee, sanchi, hey, and come back. Okay, one more slowly, and after, try to do it speed. One more details, needle and yandan, don't do it please, like this, okay? You have your head between your two arms, like this, okay? And your two fists like this, like this, like this, like this, okay? I finish, one more slowly, and speed after. Okay. So, slowly one more. Each, knee, sans, chi, each, knee, sans, each, knee, sans chi, go, lock, shake, let's go, hey, and one more. Now try to be speed. Speed, I say to you, only one time by second speed. First sequences, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Each 1, 2, pom. She prepare. Each pom. Okay. Like this. And this speed in the different time. Okay. I go. First move, et done. Each. Knee. 1. Et pour le pas. Sans. Chi. Go. Go. Shake. Touch. alone. I give you one time and you must doing all the move alone. Okay? So 2 times and it will finish. Yeah. Allez. Hitch. And one more time. Be relaxed. And the last one. Be concentrated and try to do all the details. Very important to respect all the details. Not because you are speed, you have to transform and doing something else. You have to doing all the good move. And try to be speed and conserve and continue to doing the good move. Okay? Yo! Kiai at different time. Nidan, Kiai. Prepare, Kiai. Okay? Different move when you feel. Okay. Kiai! Hey! 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 Little stretching to finish. I go in front, I hitch, knee, thumb, chi, go, other side, hitch, knee, thumb, other side, hitch, knee, thumb, other side, hitch, knee, thumb, other side, hitch, knee, thumb and flex, hitch, knee, thumb, other side, hitch, knee, thumb. I extend the leg and put down and hitch, knee, thumb, other side, hitch, knee, thumb and center, hitch, knee, thumb, and relax, and come back your leg, and relax your arm, hitch, knee, thumb, change side, hitch, knee, thumb, hitch, knee, thumb, and other side, hitch, knee, and thumb, and relax. And it's finished today. Thank you to everyone. I hope you enjoy the training. And Xmas camp with Karate at Home. Thank you very much, Martin and Naja. See you soon next time. Os!